When it's your turn to plan the party, potluck, reunion, or get-together, don't stress about who's bringing the food and drink. SignUp makes it easy for everyone to pitch in. This short video will help you organize your first event. To get started, register a free account at Signup.com, then select Create New Signup from the dashboard or on your smartphone. Select your signup type as a single day and your category as potluck or party. Then fill in details below and click Next. Click Create New Spot to add your first item. A spot can be anything you might ask someone to do, to attend, or to bring. In this example, I would like 3 people to bring a large green salad at 5 p.m. I'll click Add Another and ask for 4 people to each bring 2 dozen cookies. This will end up being 8 dozen total treats for our event. When you set up spots as to bring items, folks will be asked to add any details about what they're bringing in the comments box. Continue adding items until everything on your list is included. If some items require unique details, add them individually after you complete steps 2 and 3 for this batch. Besides asking people to bring food, think of other helpful items such as paper products, drinks, ice, and decorations. Remember to add additional spots for people to sign up to help with the event setup and cleanup, too. Add the date of your event in Step 2. You can select multiple dates if it's a recurring event. In Step 3, add any extra details that are common across all the spots in this batch, like where to park, food labeling instructions, or a link to a map. Click Save. You will see the list view of all the spots you just created. You can always add more spots by clicking Create a New Spot. If you need a formal RSVP to get a head count of who's coming, you can add a few spots for adults and kids to RSVP. Set them up without a start time so they post to the top of the sign-up. For each individual spot, you can make changes, give someone an assignment, add a comment, or delete the item here. The next step is adding a theme. Select an image from the list or upload your own image or logo. I chose this cute picnic theme. Now is a good time to preview the sign-up to see how it looks. Your sign-up is now planned. Back in the planning wizard, click Next to view your invitation options. Here you can invite folks to sign up using a direct email invitation, sending a shareable link in your own messages, social media links, or a button on your website. Once they click an invitation link, participants will quickly choose their spots with a few clicks from any device. No password or registered account is required. SignUp will automatically send confirmation and reminder messages to help folks remember what to bring. Premium members in US and Canada can opt into text reminders. Do you need extra planning power like adding assistant organizers or custom participant questions? If so, our premium service is for you. You can review features and upgrade here. If you have questions, let us know by clicking one of our 2 help buttons. We also encourage you to check out our Idea Center for free printable meal cards and planning tips for gatherings of all kinds. With SignUp, your event is sure to be a success. Get started today at Signup.com, the easiest way to bring people together for all your festivities.